first of all, I got to have the equipment to get the job done. So a little while ago, we were looking at one of the cars back there. And whether it's building the roll cage a certain way or putting the pedal assemblies in a certain way, all that stuff requires machining, it all requires fitting, it all requires metal work. And so I got to have the right tool I need to do the metal work. And the jet tooling was something that we could afford and something that works fantastic. It fits our need.
Blake Bainbridge here at Rusty Wallace Racing as a crew chief. Been working here over 10 years and been in the business for 18. Well, it's just starting out of an early age, you know, working on race cars, working around race shops, growing up with Davey Allison, the Allison family, and just more of a heritage, more, you know, my dad raced, my family was in racing, you know, just as a hobby first and now as a career. There's always been a jet machine, whether it's metalworking, whether it's a lathe, whether it's a bandsaw, there's always been jet machinery around me. You know, more than ever now, which is a great thing, but there's always been something in the race shop that had Jet's name on it, and it worked really well. And we got to give our employees the right tools to work with, and that's the #1 thing. We got to give them a good schedule, we got to give them good tools and know-how, and I feel like that's what we've done. We normally have something in them every day, whether it's turning down bushings, whether it's putting brake packages on, whether it's, you know, down to simple shock parts. I mean, there's just so many things out here that we use this machine for. Like I said, big and small projects that make a big difference in the racing industry. These jet machines are very precise. We do a lot of small projects, we do a lot of large projects, and there's no project that's too small or too big for what these products do. It's an incredible feeling. You win the race at the shop, and the way you win the race at the shop is with great equipment and great people. So when you get to the racetrack, you're really relaxed when you know you have a good piece.